Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on Nintendo Switch 2. To install Fortnite, all you need to do is go to Nintendo eShop, then select the Nintendo eShop account. It may ask you to verify your Nintendo account, so I'm just gonna scan the QR code. Now let's re-enter my password. Click on OK, and you'll be logged in. It should reload automatically, and now let's find Fortnite. You can simply find it either in highlights or go to search and search for Fortnite. Now select it and click on free download. Then I'm gonna click on confirm. Okay, I need to scroll down and click on free download. And then it's getting downloaded right now. By the way, you might have noticed that there are two versions. So just get the one that has a Nintendo Switch 2 logo at the top. This one is made for Nintendo Switch 2, and it doesn't really make a difference since both versions are really the same. But if it's optimized and it's supposed to be better, then just get this one. Now on the home screen you'll see how the game is getting downloaded right now. The virtual game card is added, so let's click on OK. I'm gonna cancel that, and now it's being downloaded. But yeah, it's the virtual game card was added because I have a Nintendo Switch 1 which also has Fortnite downloaded, so I could just go to these ones and to the virtual game cards, and I could open the Fortnite game card, which would have all my saved data from the Fortnite on Switch 1, so that's great. And it'll start downloading soon. Now it's downloading a different game that I'm getting. So that's it for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.